Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a storm car using the StormBringer Spiced Rum from Brewstillery. To make this drink, we're going to start with 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and it is a 1-to-1 simple syrup, and I am using a raw cane sugar instead of a white. If you want to use a white, feel free to do so. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 ounce, or 30 milliliters, of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters, of orange curaçao. And finally, 1.5 ounces of the StormBringer Spiced Rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Oh, add your ice, which I have this time, and give it a shake. I'm going to single strain this into my cocktail glass. Now, the original cable car recipe did call for a cinnamon sugar rim, but this spiced rum is a little bit richer than the original Captain Morgan's, so I went without the rim today. You can add it if you like. And I am single straining. You can double strain if you like. Options are available to you. Garnish. Twist of orange. Wish me luck. Oh, I'm getting better at this. Express. Wipe. I'm going to fold this a little bit in half at an angle and put that on the edge. And there you have it. A storm car. Drink with good spirits.